I just got 5 of this type of solar panel. This is a 6-volt solar panel. It says here Korea Business Office. Actually, it's still made in China. This solar panel here is slightly different from the ones that I bought before. This has actually a connection here for you to put a diode. Apparently you can put your diode this way across here, and this would be the positive, and on this here would still be the negative. But you know, the white band of your diode facing this way. This would be the 6-volt, as you can see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here. Half volt each. That would make this panel a 6-volt. And this is kind of very, I would say, versatile, because you can use it in making different configuration. You can make it into a 12-volt setup by putting them in series, like what I'm doing here now. I'm just testing it. The sun is actually going down, but I hooked them up in series, 3 of them. So 6-volt each, 330 mA, and with no sun I'm getting 15.3 volts. Now this is configured as a 12-volt setup, so you can charge a 12-volt battery, and with 3 of them together this would come to about 6 watts. Nominally 18 volts times 0.33 amps, and that would make it 6 watts. So you can use it to charge a seal lead acid battery, something like this, or you can charge a bigger battery, or you can just use it as one panel and to charge something that is 5-volt, or you can put it in 2 or 3. And I'm probably be using one panel to charge a single battery in a setup like this. This is a power supply that I made. This is another one of those night lights, those dark sensing light that comes on at night. So this would be a good power source to power this. The smaller solar panel, they can charge, but not very well. I think it needs something bigger, something like this. This is 2 watts. I had the smaller panel before, something like this. This is a little undersized. This is charge the lithium ion battery well. It can top it off, but not really charge it well. This panel is about 100 mA. So this panel here is 3 times the size as this smaller solar panel. So obviously it can do a better job. But I was just thinking, if you need to, you can put some hinges here, one here, and then the whole thing you can fold it up, and you can make a 12-volt solar panel set. Now with the sun going down there, you can see you're still getting 14 volt, which is you can still charge a 12 volt, but not very well. Open voltage of a 12 volt panel, generally it would come to about 20 volts. So this would give that, it would give 20-21 volt in really strong sun, and then when it heats up it loses efficiency, like all solar panels. But you won't be putting this behind glass, or you can use it as is. I think it's epoxy coated. So that's just another option that you can consider. This whole set would make a 6-watt 12-volt solar panel. Alright, I thought I would show that option to you.